You run a plumbing business. You're on your way to a job when your phone rings. It's a new customer. You take the call, book the appointment, and as you hang up, you realize you've forgotten to schedule a tech. Or maybe you're an HVAC technician, and you're driving to a job when you get a call from dispatch, telling you the customer has changed the appointment time. Again, sound familiar? This is the daily grind for countless home service professionals. And it's a problem that ServiceTitan aims to solve. But how big is this solution? How many people are actually using it? That's the question we're diving into today. We're going to explore the user base of ServiceTitan, the software platform that's revolutionizing the home service industry. Now, you might be thinking, who cares about the number of ServiceTitan users? Well, stick with me. Understanding the size of ServiceTitan's user base gives us a glimpse into the overall adoption of tech in the home service industry. It tells us how many businesses are embracing digital tools to streamline operations and improve customer satisfaction. So let's get down to it. How many users does ServiceTitan actually have? The exact number can be a bit elusive. ServiceTitan itself doesn't publicly disclose its total user count, but we can piece together a pretty good estimate based on available information. First, let's look at the industry itself. The home service industry is massive. We're talking millions of businesses across the US alone. From plumbers and electricians to HVAC technicians and pest control experts. It's a diverse landscape. Now, ServiceTitan is a major player in this space. They've been around for a while, and they've built a strong reputation for their robust software platform. They offer a comprehensive suite of tools that cover everything from job scheduling and dispatch to customer management and financial reporting. To get a sense of scale, we can look at some of the publicly available data. ServiceTitan has mentioned in the past that they serve thousands of customers. And by customers, they mean businesses, not individual users. Each business can have multiple users, from technicians in the field to office staff. We also know that ServiceTitan has experienced rapid growth in recent years. They've raised significant funding, expanded their product offerings, and acquired other companies. This growth is a clear indicator of increasing user adoption. So, while we can't pinpoint an exact number, it's safe to say that ServiceTitan has a substantial user base. It's a platform used by thousands of home service businesses, with potentially tens of thousands of individual users. But it's not just about the numbers. What really matters is the impact ServiceTitan is having on the industry. By providing a powerful software solution, they're helping home service businesses become more efficient, profitable, and customer-centric. And that's good news for all of us. Whether you're a homeowner relying on these services or a professional in the industry, a more organized and efficient home service sector benefits everyone. So, while we might not know the exact user count, we know that ServiceTitan is making a significant difference. And as the home service industry continues to evolve, we can expect the platform's user base to grow even larger. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.